Okay, welcome to the next part of the tutorial. In this section, I'm going to go ahead and install WordPress. In the previous video, I showed you how to get to the cPanel or to access the one-click installation instructions for 3 different hosts: Bluehost, GoDaddy, and SiteGround. I happen to have a URL and a hosting package available on SiteGround where we're going to kind of play around today. In this case, I've logged in to my cPanel and I'm on the Fantastico installation page. If you need to find out how to get here, the part 1 video covers that. So from here, I've actually selected WordPress from the menu here in Fantastico, and there's this option here to install WordPress. It automatically defaults to the most up-to-date version, which is 2.9.2. And I'm going to go ahead and click New Installation. It will also point out that if you leave the installation directory empty, it will install WordPress at the root directory of the domain. That's exactly what we want for our purposes. Since we're trying to establish our website on WordPress, we want people to get there as soon as they type our domain. We don't want them to go to a subdirectory. So that's good. We'll just leave that empty. And over here we can just pick a name, a login for ourselves. I'll keep it simple. But I would suggest that you make your password more complex. Include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and characters. From here, this is the domain that we're going to install this onto. I'm going to go ahead and type my email into here, and I'm going to go ahead and install WordPress. Now, once that's happened, you'll get a confirmation here about the setup. It will actually give you some MySQL database information here. This is the username for that. And unless you really know what you're doing, you'll probably never use that. But we're going to go ahead and click Finish Installation. And you'll see here it says that both of these are configured now. It also has an important note here, which is that there's a file called Fantastico filelist.txt at the installation directory, and you should not uninstall that. Now, that could happen if you log in using an FTP client and accidentally delete that, so I wouldn't do that. Okay, this is just a note reminding you not to do that. And now we're ready to go. In fact, if you click this link, it will take you to your installation. And again, all we have to do here is type our password and username. And as soon as we've typed our password and username, WordPress will take us to this section, which is called the dashboard. Now, the dashboard is where you enter posts and all of the content for your website. And this is basically the back end of WordPress. This is everything behind the scenes, behind a website that you would view in WordPress. In fact, if we click the Visit Site button here and hold down the Command key here, so we open a new tab, we'll see that there's a default theme already installed, and this is the basic site. And so all of this information can be changed back here in the dashboard. And in the next video, we'll cover how to customize your website using the dashboard.